jogwar da bulambi to blan kembiya benen to yenin yato bayan bana yenin yabana malfe kullu kasa ka fi mayri ka gumbama kan banglan kulal sa to blan kembiya ngaya aya banda ta kurkur warbema kayan warbema ko dummal sidum bulfuni لكن تبوا ما بين يلي تبلان تنبيا يبنو تلنا ماني كما سنة بمبو زنزل سبي لو اندبل بلك بالموري ما نكمل يلي تلنا ماني بلا يا من كيل زنبل مفن نكوه جرون كوولو كادا بولا منكم ملك الماني تبلان تنبي دايري
nta de ko non so kam la egypte ne yina television wo zo kam pilgo mo kan yina television zo nta pambada pun ko arziki ince kan yina television nta zam man we salam ka ba bang nan fo so wonyama de ko non ya la egypte in la nyama so dabselo ne dama ni tun viela nka to na bana den ka dagban pambe tam ka yale ni nere ngunda ni viela de molo yala nta pambe da ko arziki kan na pun yelma nzang ma jil television ozo inche kan nirbo bangma silmin tanse gana boble kam so kam bangma nta nyi wonle irma ngo ana be pagan tumatum abor sonsam kana ben yale anya mazungo dabselo atuma zana pale adania zana pale nibun ku kurar siki zan majin de kema de pala manan kurar siki ni me tumma kar viala kan nirbin ya kapo da ban pam ma ya ni yel mba paaro tole ni sholu la jarne in le irma ngon kam le irma zungo dabselo de jia kamna ntugo son samna asam pasani nana asampa de gbinne nyama ya yelmang le lana kamna nte bo son sem man yelmang la ngosane mine kan ko nyama salnim biane bet mebe jinna television ozo nen lapsu sotuma nyanga yina me nen den tol dene ne dam dene ne kal dene kan san yina nen te fa wunda babe anyala pa anyala do bia nin kurgu kamna nana sem basane anye sonsem nda pun yele mun le television wan to tege nda pun yele na agura kana ba paga pa bu sha ba yarna ruguma mi mun kampun tumtuma de la mine nyen voso Nigeria Canada Libya so kam mine nyen voso aba pa ma ka zanga tumana ta puima de nyanga kan yellarla arzikiya na wunin tsirle kapi nan fushaba nan to joli ya kaza kan ya arziki tubu pola timanga bi nyeti nin kura biane da banpam ma me yelya ne kem ku doyen ka kwa busa nin kura doya ka temte bana ne ta kana ta fatima bi biana zumo biana nyine dalmane dan talso be gunu nye shambala nsonga de college se ka ba to song mabia so ni yina ngoma ya mbe yina men dan konko nan song dan konko dunia zakan yarma ni wulli irma wa ba paya musuin mala ka fo dulay mala ka fo kazanjia ka ba changa shite twetum to kum garalero de zo zomiana man nana san pasane nte bo song sam so yalan kuwar ziki in zama jil so dabselo dama ntu viala zo so kam medania de Carlo naba de so ka bazang mana te jile zo dabselo ne ya toase in zam te solo kam yana nana san basane nte bo songsem din ye yel mangle yulma kam bondo ntemale nana asempa daman tum karfiel tu den ye yel mangle lana the great one nyum kam bor songsem kazan jiya na won so atin tin nga ye bob kam malar sambalo bob kam na won nam tmaya o yelam na song ma nga poi ko na songa anya ku jia ken na umbien ngun ku bien la sa aka pangma manga kana umba songa de zanga dorojia pa man na sampan sanna nan ban pa television so kuma ko le mana kamina diala zama da bannya kambon nya balle kam ko le mana kamina difila na unga farakata bukata male paka bora karban nanda kolum mana luto namba ka bora karban nanda kolum mana dinya la pielga ka bora kolum mana doro balbu kam yimala di chekara musra kolum mana na sempa ntia atlani biane ni cheka ba tebe tum di yiram kal tumanyele akolma en yulme ni to tumta ni cheka ba nku to tumta ni lan yela te sani bien ma so mi yo kum dale so mamba mal jire nkeran tumashi akana te pama en vime en yule ni to tumta ni cheka ba me ku to tumta nku lan ma jire la nyele so problem kam ka mala de sang doya nyimul lir ma kan yaran de sang problem doya sang nan te pama nana sampa so kam duna yili bobay za ba pumine nan dalesha so kam mine tum de tu shale mba kala la archant te dati shamatin bogno kal tumanyale te yanum non le kazati de palate boema ndindile dadam me nguna am pashale dan ka dira am pashale dan ka dira tukuto yel ne tun so ka chele musulmi nyama kanya musulmi woni wonle irma musulmi nyama kanya musulmi shamo kalma me to pa be nyalla ba tukuto lab kale te yanam funnan le makazate so musugu yimbala de so ayelle boka guira tin shi tam shelwa ya akor ma bara ako abe nyeden palen shale demle mosa adwanda abto dira zema ma yaya aku zandela zan yirma kolum mana daka dira achella lumini ma aku eranne ma bindira kasama kane to kolum mana na on gafaratin yangle yalle kami kana ya de palate bari tour leme sheti zamti na wune kanya onyen tumle shamtete yalle me kan gad na wun ya to nyumul le ma ya kolum mana kamina difila dabana nya kat difila kanya abukata na malbe de kumale kan de punku yelma tuzoya pam ama mbe dunake nante lapsu so tumanyanga mbe dunake nante lapsu so tumanyanga so kam no tumdo tumasham manu yelwaya nka samle santa na kana kan maga gomungo nkala samle an kana ya nyinambo manambo bendara katenda bendara manguna halas nkum majire bendara nguna kana anda be abkana kan yonnona bendara nguna anda daban pam ma yele an la'aram bor la'are bendara nguna ku to kana kabada sheka ta dabendara ka tuma mana antu sheka ta bobon bora ma za me malabi akana ya amin ban to ce da ta dabendara mana ka tuma ma tumza mbe charge so kalen yele dang yele mbe chargera na kana ti go masamle mai tum kara viela nyin mama ami ayen nonsha nyengul lir ma kan yaron yi namba shalan kul iras kirmas o ma on kole nana sampa ngunun ko an boble ngunun ko an boble sa amala saati so kam binya nin kurgunya pa do so kammala sa azanti de te na kolma nku peke mala sa azanti so kam anto kolma video call on WhatsApp number ba para so anto bolma na video call lerma kan tumda tuma de me kunyela kun fa yakuni de kakan tuma kan nyege de zo kan yela ya akol manan tuma ta en yuleme en yulabe yel kura ni to tumle ni cheka ban nku to tumle ni cheka ban popalgu kan yina nda pun yele ya zabso popalgu zabso ton bambala den kan jia den kan yanam jia so kame pumi popalgu ni nyetan shale da bankal za be la popalgu da bankal za de be la popalgu mu ya den chire na banage den chire banage kala muna to kuto lab kale nyamul ler ma de dol ni musulmi nya den non de ben sha wa kun nangle musulmi nyamba ba kalbian me ka musulmi se bian te lab kale pulo ngo katen non te lab musulmi se pulo ngo katen non azanga yel musore pama na unga fara den tuma bwashan kun fa ku paka bora biga bora amina pa yigari umpe ta yibe doara ka bor biya kolon mana daga idira ka saka damane zan biyar ka zanda akwar maka banyara te banin mo pulo kan mayan ba komtumo ma da blan yirete banin ma bi me biane ka paaba biane aku be mone to kolen na sampa na bora sonsam de yan gba amina mulki na won gafara kun fa yakun de pala de fc bobo tumanyele de ngara kan zantum la tuma mata me be poa na ai kolma ka expect nin charge me man be charge nin tuma shi kai tuma kan tumnuma nda pun yel mun le irmango kai tuma kan tumnuma mbe charge son tuma shi ato koliso ko charge dan wona kan man na sampa mbala man yela me ya akolma bindara kan yela mo bindara kan da akuto kana anto zannana ka be ma da ka to tuntuma ma zanta to man nirba ka be silmin tense ka cheten teshab silmin tense. My brothers and sisters, wherever you are watching me from, I'm greeting you. I'm greeting you. This is my second time coming live on TV show. And I'm doing this for you people, not me. Because if God bless you, you don't have to keep it by yourself. Use it to help family, friends. Use it to help plenty people so that people will remember about you in life. I am out here to help my brothers and sisters in so many ways. So many ways. You see, if you are running and you did not reach where you are, don't say you are tired. I know we are plenty malams. We are more over. I know. But never use someone to compare someone. We are not the same. Wallahi, we are not the same. If you are looking at me, my name is Nana Asampa. I hope you know the meaning of the name. Nana Asampa, who is telling truth to everyone. Everyone. Those are working with me already. They know who I am. They normally know me. I never use my money to pay on any television. It's for some people who do everything for me. And this is a creature by God. If I lie, if you come to me and I lie to you, will you even call me and greet me? No. But I'm here today. Someone organized everything to pay this television and let me out today. Yes, that is how life is. If I help you today, maybe tomorrow you also help my children. My brother and sisters, I don't need anything from you. I don't need anything from you. I'm just to help you. I'm out to help my Muslim brothers and sisters, Christians and the spiritual people. I'm out to help both. Not only my family. I'm doing this for you people. I'm coming out live in television because of you people. As you can see me, I am here for you. This is my number on your screen. Take it and call me. My name is the Great Nana Asempa. Call me. If you need instant money, call me. If you are seriously sick or your father is sick, call me. Everybody is hustling. Call me for your business. When your business is running down, call me. Wallahi, I'll handle it. If your wife is not giving birth, call me. Call me. If you're sick, call me. Lotto number. Oh, only 2 direct. Only 2 direct will change your life for you. I will use only 2 direct, 2 winning number to change your life for you. Don't sit down and say you are tired. Don't sit down and say you are tired. We are not the same, and we can't be the same. This is a family spirit. This is a family spirit. I do not go to some place and buy it or something. No. This is a family spirit. I am from Zabzugu. And I'm not sitting in Zabzugu. Zabzugu village. Pupalgu. I hope you can remember the name. I've said it before. I am from Pupalgu. And you know, Pupalgu, there is a lot of spirit there. This is our forefathers' work that we are doing. As you see me young like this, I don't go and beg for this spirit. It's for a family spirit. This is just a family spirit. Take my number and call me. Nana Asempa, I need your help. I will help you. I will help you. My sister, you are not giving birth. More than 3 years. Just call me. Call me. I have time for everyone. Call me. I will make you a video call whilst I'm doing your work. I am here to help you people. I am here to solve your problems for you. No more worries, my brother. I don't challenge anyone. And I will never challenge anyone. Everyone was doing his own work. This is my work I'm doing today. This is my work. I did not go for it anywhere. This is a family spirit. This is a family spirit. My brother, all your suffering will vanish when you call me. When you call me, don't just say you are tired like I said. If you just take a look at our fingernails, it's not the same. Just look at it. It's not the same. And it can never be the same. That is how life is. In human beings, we are not the same. We are not. Don't say you try this one and that person disappoints you. Don't follow that. Don't say that. Just come to me. Come to me. I will help you. I will really help you. I will change your life for you. I will make you be someone in future. If you are owing a lot of people, call me. Don't let them disturb you. If you are a farmer and your farming was not good for you, call me. When you are facing enemy's problem, I know each and every one have his own enemy. But one thing is, enemy can distract your life. My brother, try to fight your enemy. In this world, God created us that you should help yourself before he help you. When you just go out to the roadside, throw yourself there, and say you believe in only God, when car come and knock you, won't you die? My brother, you will die. Protect yourself before God. Protect yourself. Call me. This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. And this is my calling number on the screen. When you just call me, wallahi, it's a lie. Your problem will solve for you. The great Nana Asempa, I'm doing it. And I will keep doing it. I'm not boasting. Wallahi, those I work with, they know whom I am. They know whom I am. This is our forefathers' work. And we will continue doing it till we pass away and our sons also join it. My brothers and sisters, what are you waiting for? Don't be looking at me. Call me. Take my number and call me. You will know that you finally found a spiritual father in life. I'm not boasting. Two winning number, just 30 minutes. Wallahi, 30 minutes. But one thing is, let me just tell you, I am not charging anyone. If you call Nana Asempa and Nana Asempa charge you, meaning it's not me. I'm not charging anyone. How I'm doing my work is, when you just call me, I'll tell you, these the items you are going to provide before your work done successfully. Example like, when you are just going to send a child to somewhere, and the child did not eat, do you think the child will go well for you? Never. Never. The child can never go well for you. You don't go fast as you want it. It's the same thing to our work. When you are going to do it, you have to provide some items. You provide some items for me to work it for you. When you just provide the items, it now left with me. I will work it successfully for you. And like I told you, I don't just do my work anyhow. Before you contact me that you need help, I have to check your star before. I have to check your star before. If I can do it for you, I will let you know. If I can't, I would rather let you know, my brother. I'm not taking anyone money. I'm blessed. And I have to bless the people who need my help. Yes. God said you should protect yourself before he protects you. Don't sit down and pray to God, I want money, and you are not working. Where will you get it? Do you want God to steal the money for you? No. Contact Nana Asempa, the great one. I don't compete with anyone, any malam. I come out with my family spirit to help my brothers and sisters. I need nothing from you, my brother. I don't need anything from anyone. When you just call me, for that one, I will not lie to you. You will provide items. You will surely provide items. When I work it to you, and you become happy, you rather show me your appreciation. Do whatever you are going to do. That is how life is. By the way, as you are seeing me here, I do not just wear anything, which shows that I'm a spiritual man. But I can't sit here without not showing you something for you to know whom I am. Yes, I will let you know that I am stronger than everyone in this world who is a spiritual man or any mala. I'm not here to defeat anyone. I'm not here to defeat anyone. I will let you people know that my name is Nana Asempa. Ano wula manam ya. Mbana ma ibia na yumda. Ni jama ya nyara shekan ni. Kan nyara nyetim. Nkuto jin ka yise. ka be cheki bang il nye shir le shele dan we nani to tum shela mborma na kushi a televisa mazo kanya le egypte shel de yen na wunne balgo biegu shelen zante dable o dable no som o mabisha en chama ki baya ni yule nyen nana asempa yelman le lana nyungul lir mango kuma sa anta televisa kanya yelman le shelne zantana ka ba didi dan fan to ayul na ya yimin number paskir mazuma number pema kol mana ka ta difila dagbana nyama kol mana ka ta difila ka bukata malta ambora whatsapp number pema apoy kol mana video call am bang ni yelman le lan ka tum tuma hotel so de tunin wiya shira ki bang ne in wule shirnya na sampa to cameraman mbona cheka binya bin shadin be bucket ngono le ya bucket ma bin shakar pune cameraman zan pana ka binya ven yala mboni bane simchirbian zabso tum bankam be popalebu nkumanteria mboni cheki baya ne tim don kunyala tim taba gilme boele kaltim nyele bin shaka bucket mani dadam kam mi bucket ni be sha nyele bucket kam boele cameraman lema as you are looking at me you are seeing inside this bucket just watch very well mpacho share bibia watch it very well. Watch it. There's nothing inside. This is bucket. I hope you can see everything. I'm going to show you a real magic. I'm going to let you know whom I am today. I will let you know that I can do something what people cannot do. This is just the bucket. Empty bucket. Cameraman, come closer. Empty bucket. I'm going to let you know what they call me Nana Asempa. Just watch here. I hope you can see everything. This is a material. A white material. There is nothing inside a material. Look at it very well. Cameraman, just look at it very well. Let them know that I am someone who out to help my brothers and sisters. I don't charge people. I don't take anything from people. I hope you can see. That's empty material. I never charge people. When you call me, I will tell you the items you are going to provide for your work to done successfully for you. Look inside the bucket. Look inside the bucket. You bucket ma puni. Mbana man you won shele ma. Le bucket ma puni. Ben shabian. En chemeki banya. Dalishel din cheka bon man na sampama. Bucket ma mbala. Tan ma me bambala ben shakar puni. Leya. Dunia za nyame tanma mbala ben shakane inya bucket man bon ben shaka bucket man. There's nothing inside the bucket. I want you people to know what they call money. I want you people to understand my work and never use me to compare anyone. I'm not here to challenge anyone. I don't insult any spiritual matter. I want you people to understand what they call magic. There's magic in Pukpalabu. Watch it very well. Share Bibia. Watch it very well, my brothers and sisters. Lemere puni. Ben shakane. Tanma bon. Tanma mbele ben shaka tanma puni. Anya. Lema kana zampele. Cameraman lenven yala. Zang sikrma kwana kababa. Dalishel den jilma ho. Ben shaka bucket ma puni. Not just in math. Yes. As you are seeing, this is the thing I covered down. This is the thing I covered down. Not just in math. I want you people to look down. I'm going to show you real magic. What they call spirit. Yes. I'm going to let you know that I do not wear anything. But I will show you what they call money. I want to let you know what they call money. O mami wata abuna akosua o yani obaya o kukurku o kakarka o hiri o patapa la ambon la anza o sunu o gbele o kitiku o gre nam dali su o sakara bofo o piafo nyama dade nam dali su gabe ku wata pulpun karkuma do so karkuma do agba wa lo katapa zinjar wo zoda ku zovre dade ku zovre yabali mino sakara mi zomna yabo na chambonza rula bank ntetuma la pierga mbon de bank pamba bangaya ne kan nolin yele kana gbambalan ko sara nyimun jiya wali irma wa hindu kabacha aza kabacha don't disgrace me kabacha ma for jeren for so me so for jeren for aza kabacha people say kan cham la kamile kabacha yabo na champonza rula bang tituma la pierga Ghana cedis kachan USA tituma dollars abiana yinche kababang kaltuma nyele kan tumda amerikane yin zip ma vita la vie sur azo ame bien yin shoyin up mari wata abuna akoswa o yani obaya o kukurku o kakarka o hiri o patapa la ambon la anza o sunu o bule o kitiko o gre nam da disu ma fo jerfo so mi se fo jerfo cameraman come closer look at me very well. I want to open the thing and you people see what they call me Nana Asempa. Come closer, cameraman. O sakara bofo o piafo. Nema dade nem dade so gabe ko ta pun karkuma do so karkuma do. Agba wa lo kata pazin yarmo zoda kun zofre dade kun zofre. Chamna dollars. Ghana cedis. Chamti sana kabdon fan kande mo kabdon bo kande fan. Cameraman come closer. Come closer. I want them to know what they call money. What is this? What is this? What is this? Cameraman, come closer. What is this? That's 50 cedis notes. What is this? 50 cedis notes. You see? That's 50 cedi Ghana note. Check it very well, cameraman. Check it very well. Mami water, chop this down now. Mbona champonza rula bang tizante mana kabno fan kandire mo kabno mbo kandire fan. Chop this down now. Cameraman, watch it very well. Check it very well. Mami water abuna akoswa o yani obaya o kukurku o kakarka o hiri o patapa la ambon la anza o sunu o bule o kitiku o gre namda disu. This is US dollars. I hope you can see it very well. That is US dollars. From cedis to dollars. Cameraman, check it very well. This is original dollars. Those who knows dollars, check it very well. Check this out now. I listen. Mami water. O sakara bofo o piafo. Nema dade nam dade so gabi ku water pun kakuma dwele. So kara kuma dwele. Agba wa lo katapa ziyargo. So that kun sofre dade kun sofre ya wele sakara ndo follow ya pu dambra. Changer. Mboni chant sana kabno fan kandire mo kabno mbo kandire fa. Mami water, check this out now. Mbona chan USA tituma dollars. Check this out now. Kachan Ghana tituma Ghana cedis news. I'm piano in check and down. I can in check and down. Mami water. What is this? Cameraman, come closer. Check it very well. This is physical money. Check it very well. Check it very well. This is Ghana cedis. Check it. 50 cedis nose. Cameraman, come closer. This is the nose. Check it very well. Check it very well. Check it very well. I'm doing this for you people. Those who are watching me. I'm doing it because of you. Come to me and your life will change for you. This is what they call money. This is physical cash. Check it very well. That is physical cash. I'm doing this for you. Those who are looking at me, take my number in the screen. Call me or WhatsApp me for your help. Inshallah, everything will be fine for you. This is physical money. This is Ghana cedis. This is what they call loose. I hope you can see. Yes. As you can see everything. This is real money. This is real money. Come to me and enjoy your life. My brothers and sisters, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? If you need lotto number, call me. Any problem you have, wallahi, you will get it. Come to me for your help. Call me. Take my number on the screen. Call me. Nana Asempa, the great one, Bakupe. I am the only one who can help you. I am the only one who can solve your problem. Take my number and call me. Calling Yamana, number Pascal Mazoma, Unkonya Munoto Fagabe, Unkoneto Malayela, Unkoneto you are Bishukur fees, Unkoneto check up Padoi, call Mana, number Pascal Mazoma. Amborma, Inchizorma, call Mana, the two team. Call Mana, the chance of San Caranyama, call Mana Sampa, Katifila. Kabukata Malta. Ntsang palang pasamba, ambashin de la ke, Nizan ye to Azayel, a call Manatan Fila. Kabukata Malzanta, Kanang Bambalanquar Sara. Call Mana. Everything will be fine for you. Bye bye.